Fire and trucks just don't really mix. Yet somehow the Ford F-150 is regularly in headlines for catching fire, sometimes while parked, sometimes just after a drive. It's one of those things where you think, this can't actually be that common, can it? Owners talk about a mysterious smell or seeing smoke curl up from under the hood, and next thing you know, the headlines are full of charred remains in a driveway or a Walmart parking lot. It's like a really bad magic trick. Now you see truck, now you don't. One major culprit? Electrical issues in the wiring harness. This isn't rare either. Out of every 1,000 F-150s in certain model years, about 13 end up reporting fire-related incidents. That's a lot when you figure this is the most sold vehicle in America. You know what's not fun? Sitting in the cab, thinking about errands, and suddenly catching the scent of melting plastic. If you catch this early, you might be able to prevent disaster. Most people wait too long thinking it's just an old truck thing. People also forget to check recalls. The 2021 and 2022 models, for instance, had recalls tied to faulty battery junction boxes. One pro tip, sign up for NHTSA alert emails and don't ignore those notifications. One message could save your ride and maybe your house. It's rarely one thing. F-150s have had fires tied to block heaters, seat wiring, and even spontaneous combustion from batteries. Spontaneous combustion should only apply to rocket launches or angry email threads, never to your daily driver. So, how do you lessen fire risk? Step 1. Always park outside if there's even a minor electrical issue. 92% of fires that damaged homes happened in garages. That's not the stat you want to be an outlier in. When you pop that hood, check for melted wires, odd fuses, or discoloration near the battery. This isn't just car maintenance. This is firefighting at a cellular level. If something seems sketchy, don't wait. Get a pro's eyes on it. Another overlooked thing, aftermarket accessories. That light bar or subwoofer the dealership offered you? Yep, sometimes the install jobs are the weak link. A surprising 20% of F-150 fires are traced back to non-factory electricals. Insurance is another painful reality. Fire claims tend to be some of the slowest to pay, and most of us don't read the fine print about parked versus driving fires. Coverage gaps are real, and that's a learn-the-hard-way moment for too many owners. Ford has publicly invested millions in safety overhauls, but even so, the issue hasn't fully gone away because, honestly, electrical fire risks are tough to beat in high-volume vehicles. It's always a numbers game. The more trucks, the more chances. Any F-150 owner will tell you, these are workhorses, not show ponies. But the second they fizzle or spark, that reliability myth takes a hit. If durability is measured by what doesn't go up in flames, then we've still got work to do.